Oh. Hi. Hey guys, so today I got my package from Ulta. Got my knife. I ordered the Morphe palette because I've been wanting the Morphe palette forever, and it finally came in and I'm super excited. It took literally everything to get it. They didn't have it at my regular Ulta, so I had to drive all the way out to like Pasadena to order it at the store because they were sold out too. And it's here. She's here. But is this safe? More. I'm scared. I don't want to do it. What's inside? Okay, so it's the 350 Nature. I can't read. Nature Glow Eyeshadow Palette. Wow. Okay. And it's upside down. Let's try that again. Okay, you ready? Okay, let's pop her open. This is what she looks like. 35 shades. Oh, okay. Bye. Oh, they look so pretty. Wow. I feel so honored to see them in person. It's like, wow. I'm about to like, ooh. I'm about to work something out real quick. Should I? I should. Let me. While I'm here, I might as well use it, right? I'm gonna prime my eyes super quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I just finished using, I just finished priming my eyes, one, and then I just tried out the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, the waterproof one, and it's kind of like the same formula as the regular one. It's just a little bit more pigmented, and I don't know whose hand is this small, but this is very unpractical. But my eyebrows look great, so I ain't mad. You know, I ain't mad. Okay, so I don't know what kind of look I want to do. I think I just want to do like a really cute neutral color. I'm gonna take this color right here. Can you even see that? This one right here, and we're just gonna go ahead and put that in the crease. I guess this is a review. I wouldn't call it a review because I don't even know what I'm doing, but yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this in my crease. I was doing absolutely nothing. I just finished watching 50 Shades Darker because I've been so behind. I just started them. And the next one's coming out. And so I know that, you know, Xfinity is going to try to charge you to try to catch up on it. So I watched it before they could do that. And so I watched it and it was okay. It wasn't as dynamic as I thought it was going to be, like the first one. But I guess because like we expected all like the sexy stuff. So it was cute. I didn't mind it. That color isn't doing it for me. So we're gonna go into this one below it. This really cute fiery one. I wish these had names. And we're gonna go ahead and put that in the crease too. I'm probably using the wrong brush for this, but honestly, I don't care. I kind of do care. We're gonna go with this brush. We're just gonna double dip. Let's double dip a little bit. And then put it in. It's a big ass brush. Excuses? This thing on my face. He was not invited, okay? Period. Stress, new year. I mean, it just ruined me. It's ruined me. I'm gonna take this color right here and we're gonna add that into the crease. It's a cute palette. I mean, it's not really what I expected. People really like hype stuff up. But I mean, it's cute. And once I really start getting like, oh wow, that was a lot right there. Once I start really like, I guess, getting to know the colors and we get well acquainted, then I might do something more. Wow. But this is just something simple. I see this glittery situation. It's hard to show this thing too. I see this glittery situation right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that on my lid. I don't know why I'm so annoying. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, wow. I'm kind of doing like a pat and drag kind of situation, like very short drags. Not the best choice for a lid color, but I mean, I'm just playing with colors here. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm gonna do it to like the middle, and then I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown, this one, because I kind of switched over. Sorry, I didn't mention that, but I switched over to this brown. I'm gonna add some of that brown, and we're just gonna go ahead and blend these together. I'm not mad at this look at all, actually. I wish it was more, you know, if I got it in time for fall, but you know, that's my fault. Now we're just gonna take this 5 brush and we're gonna go ahead and just put this white in my brow bone. I don't usually do brow highlights though, but I mean, why not be extra today? And now, I feel like this should be deeper, but there's not a deeper color. This is like, oh wait, there is. I spoke too soon. We're gonna make this a little tad bit deeper. Oh, yeah. So like the orange and then the dark brown. Oops, I forgot inner corner highlight. We're gonna have to, y'all didn't tell me. I think I want this one. This one right here. So we're gonna tap on that one. Doesn't look dull on camera, but it kind of does in person. I'm gonna go ahead and put some wing liner on, and then I'll be right back. So wings are on favorite, baby. Now I'm just gonna throw on some mascara, and then we'll be done. Now that they're all fanned out, I'm gonna use my Voluminous Million Lashes by L'Oreal, and I'm gonna just coat this baby on. I'm just layering. This is the Lash Sensational by Maybelline. And this is the look. God, my face, my freaking pimple. Oh. Here's the look. And excuse my decrepit eyebrows. I was in a rush. So yeah, everything is yellow. It's not usually yellow. Oof. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And my nails. Gosh, I'm so ugly. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave me a like and also subscribe if you haven't already. I make videos every now and then. I love you all so much. Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys in the next video.